Okay. So I want to talk about NEXT. I haven't made a video about this one yet, but I've been watching it over the past couple days. So right now I have the 4 hour chart, and I identified that there is bullish divergence on the 4 hour, in addition to, well, before I jump into that, but in addition to the daily and weekly, before I jump into the higher time frames, I'm just going to cover the 4 hour right now. But we have, of course, oversold levels on the RSI, and as such, we have bullish divergence where price makes a lower low, and same time period, RSI makes a higher low. So now going off of this, couple things I like to see. So one is we're starting to squeeze on the TTM squeeze indicator as indicated by these red dots. This is essentially charging up, right, as price is consolidating, and then once it fires, it looks, once it fires and turns green, that's typically when you have an explosive move. And the higher the time frame, the more explosive the move. And so when we go to the daily chart, very similar divergence that we see here. The same type of thing. We have the same bullish divergence. The higher the time frame, the higher the conviction. So I think NEXT I am very bullish on. In the very short term, we can at least get up to this resistance here at about $8 a share. This is where the volume shelf is, essentially where most of the shares were traded, right? Especially in this area because of all this consolidation at these levels. So this would be a good place to either take profit and then reload if you wanted to re-enter, but this would be a decent trade if you wanted to trade it short term. Regardless, I think it'd be a better trade longer term, especially if it broke out above this level. Considering that RSI is still oversold, even if it got up to here, I don't think RSI would be overbought. So for that reason, I think NEXT is a great buy. It's also a natural gas play. This administration is all about, just energy in general, the energy sector, aside from renewable energy, pretty much. But not saying that they're totally against renewables, but just based on the big beautiful bill and the policy changes regarding renewables, that's a reason why other methods of energy are going to be playing out pretty well, especially nuclear, as we've seen with nuclear stocks, and then I think natural gas. And I honestly don't know why it drilled here. Can't tell you that. I don't know, but just based on the chart, reading the chart, it looks bullish to me. So I think this has bottomed, and we will be heading higher from here. Don't know how high till the move has been made. Then we can kind of predict based off the Fibonacci retracement level or the Fibonacci levels. So yeah, other than that, take care. Thanks.